Hi there, I'm Mr Moto.
Mr Moto is about sharing the passion for all things motorcycling. We regularly post items of interest from Mr Moto's travels in both New Zealand and overseas, plus any interesting material that you, our subscribers, want to see or share. Please like, share and comment, as this will help build my channel. If you would like to know more about a particular bike, let me know in the comments and I'll put something together.
Right, so this is the chain, bits and pieces in there. All looks pretty good. This is the sprocket, back sprocket, and front sprocket. So just to get all this sorted out, one of the things I always do is I like to wear gloves now. After getting oil and shit on your hands quite a bit, it's quite good to actually wear gloves, because you're not constantly going and washing your hands all the time, and it protects your fingers as well. So I've taken this cover off. There's a bit of crap in there that I'm going to clean out with the old degreaser. Give that a clean. First things first, I suppose, is take a bit of slack off the chain and take the back wheel off. You can see there's a broken tooth there as well. New sprocket on. As you can see, it's a bigger sprocket. So obviously the previous owner had a bit of fun with the gearing, because this is supposed to be the standard size anyway, 43. See, 43 there. So there's the chain on. All in there. It's all nice and no noise at all. It's running all nicely. I've done the adjustments. Adjustments all done. Just need to put that cover back on.